Formations are used to establish tank positions and sectors of responsibility during tactical operations. They facilitate control, alleviate confusion, and increase protection, speed, and the effectiveness of fires. Formations are not intended to be rigid, with vehicles remaining a specific distance apart at every moment. The position of each tank in the formation depends on the terrain and the ability of the wingman driver to maintain situational understanding in relation to the lead tank. At the same time, individual tanks should always occupy the same relative position within a formation. This will ensure that the members of each crew know who is beside them, understand when and where to move, and are aware of when and where they will be expected to observe and direct fires. Weapons orientation for all tanks should be adjusted to ensure optimum security based on the position of the platoon in the company formation. Coil formation. When it is operating independently, the platoon uses the coil formation to establish a perimeter defense during extended halts or in lulls in combat. The lead vehicle will halt his vehicle in the direction of travel, while the other vehicles position themselves to form a circular formation covering all suspected enemy avenues of approach. Column formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Frago follows. Sabre reports negative contact along Route Spur. Our mission is to move to checkpoint 32 in order to establish a support by fire position to allow Bravo Troop to continue the attack north. We will move in a platoon column formation through waypoints 1 and 5. Over.
The column formation provides excellent control and fire to the flanks, but permits less fire to the front. It is used when speed is critical, when the platoon is moving through restricted terrain on a specific route, and/or when enemy contact is not likely. Staggered column formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Sabre reports enemy activity along Route Spur, vicinity phase line destroyer. Out. Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to a staggered column formation. Out.
The staggered column formation is a modified column formation with one section leading and one section trailing to provide overwatch. The staggered column permits good fire to the front and flanks. It is used when speed is critical, when there is a limited area for lateral dispersion, and/or when enemy contact is possible. Echelon formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to an echelon left formation. Out.
The echelon formation permits excellent firepower to the front and to one flank. It is used to screen an exposed flank of the platoon or of a larger moving force. Wedge formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to a wedge formation. Out.
The wedge formation permits excellent firepower to the front and good firepower to the flanks. It is employed when the platoon is provided with overwatch by another element and is moving in open or rolling terrain. When the platoon leader's tank is slightly forward, one flank has more firepower. Line formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to a line formation. Out.
The line formation provides maximum firepower forward. It is used when the platoon crosses danger areas and is provided with overwatch by another element or when the platoon assaults enemy positions. Echelon formation. The platoon may use either the echelon right or the echelon left formation depending on the known or suspected orientation of the enemy. V formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to a V formation. Out.
The V formation provides excellent protection and control, but limits fires to the front. This formation is used when terrain restricts movement or when overwatch within the platoon is required. Herringbone formation.
Blue, this is Blue 1. Move to herringbone formation. Out.
The herringbone formation is used when the platoon must assume a hasty defense with 360-degree security while remaining postured to resume movement in the direction of travel. It is normally employed during scheduled or unscheduled halts in a road march. If terrain permits, vehicles should move off the route and stop at a 45-degree angle, allowing passage of vehicles through the center of the formation.